Are you planning on starting a YouTube channel in 2021 or whatever time you want to start? Then you definitely need to keep on watching this video, and please watch till the end because it is loaded with a lot of information. Alright, you are so much welcome to my channel. It's your girl Viana's Beauty, and if you clicked on this channel, it means you either want to start up a YouTube channel or take your channel to the next level. So this tips I'm going to be sharing with you today that are very effective, and it's actually kind of like 5 things I wish I knew before starting up a YouTube channel. And because I love you so much, I don't want you to make the mistakes I made. If you're new to this channel, this is a channel where we talk everything beauty related, from lifestyle, hairstyle, fashion, fitness, and I just like bringing tips about YouTube to just help everyone grow, because I'm a YouTuber. Even though my niche is beauty, I'm still a YouTuber. So before we get into the topic of today, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit on the subscription button, and do well to hit on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post such videos. Okay guys, to start with the very first point, which is in fact the most important, is for you to decide on your niche. I know there are channels where everything is being talked about in that channel, like you talk about your family, your lifestyle, your vlogger, your everything. That is understandable. But if you are creating a YouTube channel with a vision of someday owning a business or a brand, then you need to decide on the niche. For example, a beauty influencer, a makeup artist, and a fitness coach. At least these are the main things on this channel. You will not, and if I'm doing something like cooking, there are cooking channels, right? If I'm doing something like cooking, it will be something that is related to either fitness, that is weight loss, or beauty. There's so many things that are related to beauty. Even fitness itself is related to beauty. So you have to identify your niche, and whatever thing you are doing should be centered around that niche. If you're doing something like lifestyle, there's a lot you can do about lifestyle. But if you are targeting like a future, in future I want to own an eyelash brand or anything makeup related, so my channel is really about beauty. You understand? So that's the first thing. Identify your brand. Try to work towards it. Watch a lot of videos on what has been done in that particular niche, and see how you can add your own personality into that niche. It's all about personality. There are like more than 1 billion beauty influencers there, but I don't know, even though I keep complaining that when I do makeup videos, I don't get views, it's still my passion. And I believe that probably is the kind of personality I have, because a lot of people out there that are beauty influencers, when they come, they just blow. But it doesn't matter. Identify your niche, add your personality to your niche, and girl, you are good to go. The second thing I would like to talk about is writing down a good number of ideas concerning your niche. Like, have more than 100 topics already written down towards your niche. Now, why am I making this a point for you to prep? This is because if you don't have topics, you might get worn out along the way. And we know that YouTube is all about consistency. You all know that when I started YouTube, I was not gaining subscribers as much. I did like how many months on YouTube when I had just less than 100 subscribers. But when I started uploading often, that was when I left from over 200 subscribers to 800 and something subscribers, and that was during the quarantine period. Now, consistency is just the key. Consistency, you tell YouTube that you are there. So when you have these ideas written down, you will not you have you program yourself, you have your shoot days, have your edit days, and you just upload on the days you have to upload. If you're uploading once or twice a week, I really advise people to upload at least twice a week, because it creates that presence. It tells your audience that you are there for them, and no matter what, if the worst comes to the worst, you upload at least once a week. A week can never go by. That's the worst case scenario without me uploading a video. Now let's get to the third thing. The third thing that I find it important as well is learning how to edit even before you start your YouTube channel, and learning the qualities of a good video. That's something I'm still doing today, and had it been, I am doing these things I am telling you guys, I did these things I'm telling you guys, that I would have been on another level of YouTube. But however, I thank God I learned from my mistakes. That is why I'm bringing these things to you, so that you will not repeat the mistakes I made. You have to start learning how to edit. There are videos, like I have Temi Flores, she has a video of the best editing apps. I'll leave it on the on my description so that you can check it out. Start acquainting yourself with these editing apps. I started YouTube without knowing any editing app. Like, you need to see my first video, guys. Like, it's terrible. Like I always say, I'll not delete it. It's for my reaction. Okay, so learn how to edit. There are many editing apps out there, and furthermore, aside from learning how to edit, you can use a bonus point. Learn how to start creating your thumbnail, so that when you finally start a YouTube channel, or even if you're already on YouTube, you can just upgrade your game and see how you can make your content better. We are all still learning, okay? The next thing I would like you to do, which is important as well, is joining support groups. On my last YouTube video, I talked about this. You can start, if you know you have like a month or 2 weeks to join YouTube, you can start looking for support groups to join. Why is it so? It is so because once you join a support group or support groups, I'm advising you to join as many as possible, especially as a YouTube beginner. Once you join the support groups and your very first video drops on YouTube, guess what? You already have traffic. You know, some of us, when we posted our first videos, we went for even weeks without having any view, apart from the views we get ourselves. Truth be told, if there's anybody that haven't done that, put your hand up. Put your hands up and comment on the comment section and say, I have never watched my video. I have never used any device to watch my video. So that's what most of us new YouTubers, we do when we post our videos. We use different devices to watch. What I usually do is, if I go to somewhere, if I go like to church, I will just be taking people's phones and I'm liking my videos. I still do that till date though. No need to lie, right? No need to lie. We are here to say the truth, and say the truth how it is. Yeah. So once you are already in these support groups and you drop your very first video on YouTube, you have traffic, because what we do in support groups is that once you drop your picture, people in the group, your video, people in the group, they go forward, they watch, they like, and they subscribe to you. That's the importance of a support group. So you see, joining a support group is very important when it comes to creating your channel. The last tip I have for you today, which is how it can be for anyone, whether you are a small YouTuber, you have to start, is to learn how to read your analytics. Learning how to read your analytics, especially after dropping few videos, will let you know where exactly to concentrate. Okay, it's till when I knew how to read my analytics that I started focusing on the videos that my subscribers love the most, and which is the weight loss videos. If you have noticed, for a while now, most of my videos are centered around weight loss. That's because I get my watch hour, I get my watch time from there. And as a new YouTuber, you know you need 4,000 watch hour in order for you to monetize. So just starting up, you need to start building up this hours, because this requirement is just for 12 months. After 12 months, if you don't have this requirement, YouTube will cut your hours, and to get these hours is not at all easy. So as a YouTube beginner, you have to start building up your watch hours, and you can do that by learning how to read your analytics. Your analytics will tell you where your most views come from, will tell you the videos that your subscribers request the most. Your analytics tells you a lot of things, and I'm still learning how to read my analytics, but so far it has been very, very helpful. Your analytics can also tell you the best time for you to upload. All those things are found in your analytics, where your traffic is coming from. Is it Facebook? Is it WhatsApp? Or do they search your content on YouTube? So please learn how to read your analytics. And just going back to the previous point, if you need like help locating this kind of support groups that will help grow your channel, you can always DM me on Instagram at Viana's Beauty, on Viana_beauty, or you can write me on Facebook or wherever. Just leave me a message down below and I will connect to you. Thank you so much. Those are the tips I had for you today, and I know I've given like 2 bonus tips. Let's grow on this platform together. We can do this, guys. I know we are new, but we can do this, right? I'm definitely gonna see you in my next. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and help share this video. Share this video to your loved ones who want to start a YouTube channel. Share this video to anyone who has started a YouTube channel and just wondering how they can grow their YouTube channel. It's your girl Viana's Beauty. If you haven't liked this video, I'm looking at you with my one eye like this. I know up to this moment you didn't like this video. Please go ahead and hit on the like button. Thank you so much, my loves. I love you so much. Bye bye. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Yeah, ciao.